Thank you for visiting my channel. If you enjoy seasonal decor, farmhouse, glam, collaborations, and transforming your space with affordable finds from garage sales and Dollar Tree, then you have come to the right place. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like to grow together. Check out the playlist below for more content. And now let's get started with our first DIY. So I purchased these 2 letter Ys from a grab bag from Michael's several years ago. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some hot glue right here on these 2 corners, and I'm gonna go ahead and place them right on top of that mirror. And those 2 little, I don't know what you call these, but I bought these at Dollar Tree. I bought these mirror frames, I'm gonna go ahead and call that, and I'm gonna have to go ahead and place it nice and carefully because Diva's tail is in my way. Look at her, unbelievable. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the next Y. I'm gonna go ahead and put plenty of hot glue and place it right on top of the mirror. Meet my adorable 11-year-old cat, Diva, who's always adding her touch of charm to my videos, either by motivating me or playfully swinging her tail around my crafts. And she is a rescue. And by the way, she picked me. I've been so lucky to have her since she was about 1 year and 8 months. Look at her. These little buckets from Dollar Tree, you could find them by the wedding section. I have recycled these, oh my God, too many times. So what I'm doing is I'm giving it 1 coat with this metallic silver paint. And I'm going to be doing that to 2 of the buckets. With this metallic gold acrylic paint, I'm going to distress both of the buckets. And now I'm going to do the same thing, some more distressing with white chalk paint. I just want all those 3 colors to blend in. And of course, I will be doing that to the second bucket. I'm going to apply a little bit of hot glue, and then I'm coming in with this wax thread, and it is in the color orange, of course, and I'll be wrapping it around both of the buckets several times. And now it's time to make it look even more beautiful. I put some floral foam, some moss. I'm going to do the same thing to both of the buckets. I'm also going to be removing the handles because I realized that those handles are not going to be working out for what I'm going to be creating. So I removed it, and I also added some jute twine to both of the buckets. As you see, I'm adding some floral, and I'm also going to be adding a small pumpkin to each bucket. And now with the jute twine, this is how we are going to hang this little floral arrangement on the letter Y, which now is a hook. And here's the final reveal. so excited for fall. Today I am participating of another open collaboration fall DIYs, and it is being hosted by Shantell, and the two co-hosts is Brenda, Rustic and Lacy DIY, and Amanda, 6 Kids and a Glue Gun. I'm gonna be leaving their links to their channels down in my description box along with the playlist. Please make sure to visit these talented creators and show them a lots of love by subscribing, sharing, and liking. And on this challenge, we have to create minimum of 3 fall DIYs. I am excited to show you what I have created. I purchased these window clings from Dollar Tree last year, and I have this plate also from Dollar Tree. Begin by cutting the words "Hello Fall."
Stay, even for a moment, that's okay. Even if the sky is turning gray. Ooh. Hey, we can talk it over, that's okay. We will find a path to do it all our way.
Now that these words are all cut, I'm gonna go ahead and see how I can place them right here on the plate. This is gonna look so beautiful.
Hey, I'm holding tight the words you want to say.
And these transferable leaves, I'm gonna take 2 of them and put them on either side.
For you to sing your heart away.
So when I'm doing the rubbing, when I'm going to be removing the paper, I just like to rub and pull to make sure that the entire leaf is set in place. And I will be doing the same step to the second leaf. I also want to thank you for visiting my channel, especially if you're coming over from one of the other platforms. Your support means the world to me. If you're enjoying this video, I'd be truly grateful if you consider subscribing, sharing, and liking. Let's grow together. And your subscription will put a big smile on my face. And now the final reveal. And for our final project, I got this acrylic paint nutmeg brown. I watered it down and I'm going to be giving it 1 coat to this entire piece. And this I purchased at Dollar Tree. And these wood letters from Temu, I'm gonna go ahead and give it 1 coat with white chalk paint. The letters are completely dry. Now with some hot glue, I'll be placing some in the back of every letter, and I will be placing it right here in front of this little wood box. This is going to turn out so beautiful. I will also be adding some floral foam along with some Spanish moss and I'm gonna be decorating it with pumpkins and orange leaves. Thank you so much for staying until the end of my video. If you have enjoyed it, please make sure to subscribe, share, and like. And don't forget to visit the playlist down below. Also make sure to please subscribe to all of our channels. Subscribe, share, and like. Don't forget that notification button like that. Every time we upload a new video, you will be notified.